As a cut flower grower, we need a lot of water. We don't have a well. Rosa Flora is not connected to the municipal water system because of where we're located. So the natural question is, where does all the water come from that you need? And our answer is actually relatively simple. We harness our greenhouse roofs to collect all of the rainwater that we need throughout the year. Typically in Southern Ontario, we would have about 80 to 90 centimeters of water throughout the year. It all gets collected through a series of pipes that start small and get larger and larger and larger to a point when it rains, all of that water is captured, ultimately gets stored in a large freshwater retention pond. As we need water for our greenhouses, we draw on these freshwater retention ponds and bring that water into the greenhouse for use. To be sustainable, we fully understand that we need to manage our water very well. For every liter of water that we give our plants, a plant might only use about half of that. So if we water 10 liters per square meter per day, for example, our plants might only use 5 of those 10 liters. We are able to capture the water that the plant doesn't use through a series of pipes that are actually below the plants, and that comes back to a return water retention pond. That pond again can be used to bring that return water back to our mixing system to reuse the water at a later date. We are also able to use the fertilizer that's in the return water and bring that back into our system, thereby not wasting any of the fertilization that we've done for growing our cut flowers. As our customer, you see our product in our yellow pails or perhaps in a smaller black pail, and it's in our water that we collected from our roofs, we've used, we've purified, we've treated, and we bring it to your door. We've been using our plastic pails now for years. Many of these have been recycled many times. We continue to work with you, our customer, to encourage you to get these pails back to us so that we can continue to use these pails over and over again. We believe that this adds to a very sustainable way to ship without using more packaging and plastic than necessary.